leveraging SOAtest to reuse the existing API tests from QA makes it a low effort task of adding pen testing to your pipelines for early detection. If we come look at the traffic here, you'll see that there is a whole variety of scenarios that were run, various overflow scenarios, cross-site scripting, injection attacks. So quite a bit that was run here. And if we look down at the findings, we can see there were 5 findings. And if I drill down into buffer overflow, we've got a whole lot of detail here that you can pass over to security team or developer for remediation, things like solution, references, also references to various OWASP or ZAP IDs. So enough information here for someone to take action. And in fact, from the tester's perspective, I can look in and see the specific request and response tied to this finding. So for buffer overflow, you can see a huge field here in the request. You can see a 500 response from the service. So definitely something to investigate. And from a collaboration perspective, when these tests are executed as part of a CI/CD pipeline, you also get reporting that has all the same information, including traffic with request response. So this can be passed over to your developer or security professional counterparts, providing actionable information on API security weaknesses early in the software development process. And again, we're able to do it as a QA team without that security expertise, but contributing to finding these issues early in the cycle where there's plenty of time for development to take action and remediate the issues that are found.